In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your side brushes on this Ecovacs Deebot robot vacuum. And by side brushes, I mean these ones right here. So you can see these are a little worn out, especially this one. And I got some new ones. Now these replacements actually have these, all three are long, but they're gonna fit. They're gonna do the same thing. Maybe this is even a little upgrade, but whatever brushes you're putting on should work fine. So first thing, you're gonna wanna make sure that the Deebot is off, in the off position before starting this. And then what I've noticed with these is that you can just grab them and pull them off. But I think that's because these are worn out. And when you go to put the new ones on, it's not gonna let you. So the correct way to do this is to get a teeny tiny Phillips screwdriver like this and remove this little screw right here. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna hold this and take the screw out all the way, grab that, and then when you pull it up, that little metal piece comes with it. It's like a little clip that holds the brush on. So when you put the new one on, you put that on first. That's nice and tight. And then this kind of cradles over the shaft right there. Push it in, and then reinstall that screw carefully. And then just want to go nice and easy, make sure you don't cross thread it, and then tighten that down. And then this one is much more secure. So I think those are definitely worn out. So same thing on this side. Take that screw out. Take this out. Don't lose the little bracket, the little clip. The new one on. Nice and snug fit. That little clip in there. Phillips screwdriver. Tighten that up. And that is it. Turn it on, test it. You can see they're sitting nice and tight against the floor. So we should be good. So if you had to change the brushes on your Deebot, hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.